I don't know why my last video stopped, except that maybe I had just gone on too long and it got tired of hearing me. So anyway, here's the last little bit. This one's super short, I promise. So I'm going to finish solving this equation for you. We combine the a's, and now we're combining the b's. 3b plus 7b is 10b. And I cannot combine my a's and b's because they're separate things. So they're going to stay separate, and that's my final answer. And then the last one I wanted to do for you was this number 11, which is a little bit more complex because you just have some extra steps in it. So the first thing I have to do to solve this expression is the distributive property. I need to distribute this 3. It'll let me draw a line because I'm kind of close to the top of the screen. Okay, there we go. So 3 times 4x is going to be 12x, and 3 times 2 is going to be 6. And then I'm just going to bring down this 2x because I haven't used it yet. Now I'm going to look for like terms. So I see an x and an x. So I'm going to put those two x's together. 12x plus 2x is 14x. And then the 6 has no matches or no partners, so it's just going to stay by itself. So that becomes my final answer. All right. Email me if you have any questions. I am here to help, and I will see you next time.